In primetime news this evening, Vote 2025. Jamaicans to choose their next government on Wednesday.
Major political parties take to the streets on Monday in a last-ditch effort to convince voters.
And Labour Ministry says the Minimum Wage Commission supports the minimum wage increase. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. There's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, there's concern this evening that members of the diaspora are being overlooked for tomorrow's general election. What's that all about? I'll give you details later in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. And I think I'm going to assume it's track and field. Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Is it track?
Yes, it is, Archie. Thank you. Well, Jamaica's chances of a medal in 2 events at the upcoming World Championships in Tokyo have been given a slight boost. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
All right, and Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the wet afternoon pattern that we have been observing over the past few days is expected again tomorrow. We do have strong showers and thunderstorms in the forecast right across the island for tomorrow.
So it is a rainy election day. He'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking, on the eve of the general election, what's the single most important issue that will guide your vote tomorrow?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.